And I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, 2013 Chevy Suburban LT 5.3. Doing the belt tensioner kick. Doing the whole belt, the idler pulley, and the tensioner. Just did the tune-up on it. See your old spark plugs. Got the new wires in there. We're gonna go ahead and knock this belt kit out. Get up in there. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Pop that off. I'm gonna take off this intake tube right here. It's gonna be an 8 mil, or you can use a flathead. Pop that out. 8 mil or flathead. You get a 15 mil on that tensioner and push down on it. Release the tension. One hand. So we got a bolt here. And a bolt there. And get that tensioner off. 15 mils. And we in there. Another 15 mil. Alright, we're gonna replace these belts. Both of them. We got the power steering. Got the AC belt. Gotta remove that. Alright, so the AC compressor belt, it is a stretch belt. It doesn't have a tension or anything to release the tension so we can get it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off. Cut it off. And I'll show you how to put the new one on. Alright, so I'm gonna take my belt, I'm gonna put it on the back side of the crank pulley first. Get it back there. And then I'm gonna put it on the compressor. And then you wanna stretch it. Pretty much you wanna stretch it, get it on top. I'll show you. Get it on there like that. And what I'm gonna do is put a socket on that crank pulley bolt, and I'm going to turn it clockwise. And we're going to guide it on until it turns all the way on and sit proper. Alright, so you want a 24 mil socket on that bolt. Then you want to turn it clockwise. Alright, just like that, we on there. So it has to stretch on, get in those grooves. And that's the best way to do it. You can use zip ties as well, just to guide it and hold it in place. That's gonna be it, man. Till next time, Pull Up King.